Imagine drifting through the cosmos, where silence reigns, yet the universe is alive with sound. Cosmic events create a symphony of vibrations that we can translate into audible waves. When a star explodes in a supernova, it sends ripples through space, producing frequencies that can be captured as haunting melodies. Black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, emit gravitational waves, which can be transformed into eerie tones that echo the fabric of space-time itself. Pulsars, rotating neutron stars, pulse like cosmic lighthouses, creating rhythmic beeps that can be heard across light years. Each sound tells a story, revealing the dynamic processes of the universe, reminding us that even in the vast emptiness of space, there is a hidden orchestra waiting to be heard.